In this tutorial, we are going to explore a special function in Python known as the add magic method. In Python, magic methods are special methods which have double underscores at the beginning and end of their names. They are also known as dunder methods. In this lesson, we'll focus on the add magic method. So, why would we use the add magic method? Well, it allows us to define the behavior of the plus operator for custom classes. That's right, with the add magic method, we can use the plus operator with instances of our custom class. Let's take a look at an example. We'll create a simple class called myNumber. This class will just hold a number, but we'll make it so you can add instances of this class together using the plus operator. Here, we define the add method to return a new instance of myNumber, whose value is the sum of the value attributes of the two myNumber instances being added together. Let's put this into action by creating two instances of our myNumber class and adding them together. Here, we've created num1 and num2 as instances of our myNumber class with values 3 and 4, respectively. When we use the plus operator to add num1 and num2 together, Python calls our add method. Now let's print the result to see what we get. As you can see, the result is 7. The add method correctly added the values of num1 and num2 together, demonstrating how we can customize the behavior of the plus operator in our own classes. So, as a quick recap, we've learned that the add magic method in Python, add, allows us to define custom behavior for the plus operator in our own classes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Keep practicing, and remember, Python makes it fun and easy to create and manipulate your own custom classes. Happy coding!